Friday, October 30th, another dip by Friday. So it's currently 9:28 and 30 seconds, 1 minute to 1.5 minutes until the opening bell. I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you or showing you how I trade. My current watch list is BLRX, looking for a 235 breakout point. I'm gonna draw it right here on the line. Also TTNP, I'm not going to trade that though. Instead, I'm going to put MGI over there. Looking for that high point of 526. Looking at also down here at 165 for MGEN and a 147 mark at AIRI. But my leading gap on the day, of course, is MGen. You go to my trade icon. Once it pops this point here, we got room to run up to the high of the day. If it pops this point, it's 228, 230 mark. We got plenty of room to run. If you look here at the RSI, we're on the upswing. You look at the MACD, we're reversing as well. So here we go. We got 12 seconds. My hand is over here waiting and watching. The 1 minute chart is showing reversal, perfect. And here we go, let's watch. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna watch for a second before we get in. If I get in. It's trading 18 million shares on a 19, almost 20 million share flow. See, I didn't buy in yet, it failed. It's either profit taking or it's basically terrible. Let's watch and see what happens right here. Indecisive candle, blow through it. I'm in for the run up. Oh man, that was terrible how it bounced back on me like that. We good though. Look at the buyers, they're coming in. It's gonna blow through that point and then we gone. I put in the group 235 is the break point. It broke it, but it didn't hold above it. They've been riding the VWAP for the last 2 hours. So far so good. Let's watch. And we have news this morning as well. If you look over here, you'll see. Here's the news. It's currently profit taking because it closed yesterday at $1.46. So people wake up this morning with some money in their pocket taking profits. Look at the VWAP. It's this green line here. We A1. Here it is, TOS. Freezing again. We get to wonder what's going on with TOS, man. It's getting ridiculous. Here come the big buyer right here. I see him coming in. Look on the right, level 2. Here come the buyers. Alright, I'm gonna watch it for a minute. Let me go to my cell phone. Look for some buy points. Here we go. Come on now. It's indecisive right now. It's okay. Alright. For the last few days, stocks been coming out the gate hot, then they've been failing and picking back up in the afternoon trading, which is crazy. I'm on my cell phone right now watching my screen and my cell phone, trying to find some buy-in points on my EQ, AIRI, and BLRX. Looking for it to break the pre-market high. Pop is 235, then we pop 260, then $3 hopefully. It's maintaining pretty good right now. I can't really complain. BLRX, EQ, AIRI. Alright, let's watch. Put my cell phone down. Alright, so currently BLRX, for the last 180-day 4-hour chart, you'll see it's the highest it's been in quite a while. On a 4-hour, it's looking bullish, right? But if you go way back here, you'll see way back here, make it smaller. It popped the same point twice, and it pulled back both times. If you look at the last 3-year, 1-week chart, it was 27 bucks this 2018. Then it pulled back basically non-stop since that point. Look at this large volume candle today. Today is the biggest volume bar, buy volume bar that has been in years. Look back here, the same day. It ran up to $27.60 on the same amount of volume pretty much. See that? We nearing that point to that high overbought area. We want to be overbought. If you look back here, it's been hovering the same price for months. 240 has been the high. So it should pop this 240 point and hold and maintain. We might get at the end of the day $3.50, maybe $4 a share if we're lucky. Looking back at the 1 year, 1 day, it popped up, pulled back. It's been straight decline mode below the EMA, riding the EMA for months. Right? So we should be good right here on reversal. Let's go on the 5-day 15-minute. The 5-day 15-minute is also showing you it's riding the VWAP the whole time. So far, we in good standard. Even though we got the strong pullback on the RSI and the MACD as well on the 5-minute chart, this large sell volume, it's okay. 5-day 5-minute consolidation mode, reversal coming, it's imminent. The low point, it's right there. So we got a channel here we can move between, hopefully, over the next few minutes. Now I'm down right now, 55 bucks. It's okay. I'm not concerned about it. Let's look at this ARRI. AIRI on a reversal. I'm putting the group right now. This AIRI reversal. Come on, get to it. Now, when I bought this stock earlier, what I should have did was on my BLRX, I should have waited for a candle to find support above 235 before I bought in. Instead, I bought in at 235. So that was my error. It's still drawn. Look over here at MGI. I called it earlier, and there it is. MGI, top right. MGI can pop 580 any second. MGI, we're looking at 580. Let's see, let me go to the group. I'm in the group telling you guys that MGI wants 580. All right. So you look down here in the bottom right at AIRI. I drew a line earlier. It popped up and it pulled back on it. It didn't want to go through that line. You gotta find support. Look at MGI. I said 580 in the group. It's about to hit it right now. Watch this 580 pop. It's in the group. Where we at? MGen is still doing nothing, right? This channel here on BLRX is still there, which is crazy. 28 million shares being traded, a 19 million share float, but it's doing nothing. How is that possible? Let me add MGI in my watch list. I don't see it over there. Yeah, I do see it. All right. Let me add some more stocks. I'm gonna add SM, ASTC, TCDA. We're gonna add X, KXIN. We're gonna add VTVT, which is known pump and dumper. VTVT is known to pump and dump. CDE, HNY. Look top right. I said 580, right? On MGI, it popped 580, went 585. It's in the group. If you got in it, good job. You got some money. HNY, CUK, VON, SBSW. Let me see. SSL. EST. I'm just adding stocks and watch lists here from my scans I have preset. Because you know by now, stocks move in waves. They go up, they go down. It's going to retrace, it's going to find support, it's going to find resistance, and it's going to do it over and over and over again. That's what stocks do. So the more I have in my watch list, the easier it is for me to find a new runner or a previous runner. Make sense? All right. We hit the 580 mark here. Perfect. Look down here at this AIRI. Doing nothing. Look here at MGen. Doing nothing. Keep it on BLRX because I got it traded. If you look here, you see support. Let me draw my line out. Let me move the line. Let me move this line right here. All right. New support line is now. I'm going to put it there. See what happens. It's a small channel. You want a small channel. I'm in MGI at 560 on my large account. Looking for a 585, 590 break. They got 584. Come on. Give me a 585 again. 581. Top right. 583. I need 585 to get out of it. Maybe 590 if I'm lucky. Let me see. 580. If it keep failing, I'm going to get out of it. If it fails 580 again, I'm going to hop out of it. I'm out. My trade's in the group. You'll see it in a minute. All on video. Meanwhile, BLRX is want to break this resistance point it has right here. If you look here on my BLRX chart, which is right here in the middle, it's going to pop this point and we go on up the channel. That's what you want. 5 MGI consolidation over here. It's okay. Here comes this ARRI move we're looking for as well. It's 145 point. Uh, 140. What's that point? Bottom right. Yeah, 145. It's in the group. 145. Target buy-in on ARRI. All right. What's going on? He got 144 on the ARRI. Meanwhile, top right, MGI is 575, right? 577, 580, 581. It won $6 now. Alright, meanwhile, looking in the middle screen that I'm actually in my small account is BLRX. It's still sitting there, 31 million shares traded, right? 19 million share float. It's only up 47% though. With news. MGEN is fading. I'm off this now. Let me get rid of this SDPI. I don't even buy stocks that cheap. Rarely. Let's see. What's RBBN? Nope, no volume, no volume, no volume, no volume. EQ. What EQ doing? EQ's pulling back right now. That's terrible. Sell off. Keep an eye up here in this BLRX. MGI, pull back, profit taking. Because it's not up much. So being short in this right now doesn't make sense. It's up 20%. It's profit taking over here. Look at my channel here. Blow through this channel. It popped 235 again. We gone. Look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart. You'll see. See that? Hit it to the T. BWAP, riding the whole time. NGI, RBBN, no. EQ, no. Kind of slow day today. A lot of these stocks are moving enough to buy them. They dangerous. Look over here. Let me get rid of this point I drew earlier on MGI. Look at the 1 minute chart, right? See what's going? Look at the 5-day, 15-minute chart. See difference, right? Look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart. Doesn't look good, do it? Big sell-off. So all charts are different, of course. The 1 minute ain't gonna show the same thing. The 5 minute, the 15-minute different than the 5 minute. It's just the way it is. Look at the big picture. 180 days, 4 hours. Highs has been 180 days. Let's look at the 1 year, 1 day. Highs has been in 1 year, 1 day. Let's look at 3 year, 1 week. It was 1580 way back here in 2017. And it was right here. It was 649 just back here in September last year. So it hasn't moved much. Meanwhile, look at my chart here. BLRX. It couldn't move looking for earlier. It popped 235. It finds support above that. We gone. We'll watch it for a minute right here and see what happens. Let me go over here to my chart. Get ready to get out of it. I want that one move first before I click on the chart. It got a reversal right now on EQ as well. Reversal point is 730. I'm putting the group as well. Once we get this 230 area on this BLRX, I'm gonna click back on it for the move. 228. We going it now. Trust the process. They blow through this 235 and hold support. We got room to run. Look down here at the RSI. Look at the MACD. Both reversing, right? Let's go. Blow through that point. They're trying to short it. Where the buyers at? Look at level 2. The buyers coming in. See the buyers coming in? Sellers trying to overwhelm them, but more buyers than sellers. Makes sense, right? More buyers, sellers, stock goes up. More sellers than buyers, right? There we go. Blow through it. Blow through it. There we go. Blow through it. Here we come. About to blow through it. I'm gonna hold over my sell market for this blow through right here. You're gonna detonate too. Watch. There we go. We're gonna detonate soon we go through this. Look at all them buyers coming in. We got 4 million share buyers coming in. They're getting out of it. Getting out of them shorts. You know, you short, you sell first and you buy to get out of it. The shorts getting out of it. Blow through that point, 235. We got some bulls coming in. Here come the bulls. Watch the bulls. Watch the bulls. Watch the bulls. It's hovering over that point. Come on now. Look at that volume bar. Them buyers took over that candle. Watch the bulls come in and run through it. Here we go. This candle has 8 seconds left. If the candle after this one come in, it's green. That's what we need. We need a bull candle. And there it is, green. Right at the line I drew. See that? Perfect. That's what you want. Let me hover over for a minute. Come on. Next point now is 260. I need 256 out of this. Let's go. Ah, look at the he fell in. It's okay. He's trying to fail me. We good though. Profit taking. It's okay. Sellers closing their short sellers closing their positions out. Let me go over here for a minute. I'm confident in blowing that point. Meanwhile, MGI is doing much of nothing. ARRI, here go this point hero EQ about to break. Perfect, right? I'm watching up here my BLRX position. Got about 11 minutes left of this video. You know, I don't make videos long, 30 minutes. They time consuming. And I can't watch my large account. We gonna pop the 100% mark. I'm just waiting for it. On this BLRX. It is a matter of time. 43 million shares being traded. Come on now. Here come the buyers. Watch this. Alright, let me go my cell. I'm gonna keep I got going on my cell phone. I'm watching you guys. I could have got out for a $2-3 gain, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm confident it's going to make this move to the positive side. Once it holds support above that 235 mark, golden. Let's see what's going on right here. EQ made the move looking for. Look at EQ. I drew the line earlier, right? Look at that. A1. EQ. Here we go. Here come BLRX. All right, BLRX. Got bop this 240. BLRX. Bop this 240. Hit this 250, and we in there. They shorten it. They shorten the hell out of it. It's okay though. I'm confident it's gonna make that move. Let's go. Need one big buyer to come in and run this thing up. See people waiting 260, 260, 266, 268. They waiting up here. They know what's going on. They waiting. All right, I'm in EQ. Make some money in EQ. I'm not an EQ. Let me see. I made an EQ trade on my cell phone. I got in at 7:01, out at 7:22. Yeah. I'm trying to talk to you guys about what's on the screen, not what's on my cell phone, because that can be confusing. Keep banging the 7:30 mark. EQ, that is. Here come reversal right now on MGI. I'm putting in the group. MGI is a buy candle. I might hop in the second time. I'm hopping again. Let me get my order situated. I'm hopping MGI again on my cell phone for part 2 of my trade. I'm hopping at 550. If I can get this 550 mark for a run of 570, 580. Get this 550 mark. Come on. Now you look at MGI here, you'll see on the screen, it double tapped. See that? It double tapped it. Once, pull back, hit it again. Double tap. But it's way oversold. So we need some buyers. Meanwhile, MGI, I'm in at 5. What am I in at? Hold on. 558. I want 580, 582. See what happens. 565. It's far right here, by the way. On my cell phone. I go 560, 570. Come on, a couple more. 72. I put in the group as well. It was a buy candle. So if you bought it, good job. If you didn't, I told you. I don't like how I was looking. Let me go right here. I'm still here though. BLRX on my small account. So there we go. Let me see. That's perfect. Look at that. It's stair step. It's stair stepping. It's going higher and higher every candle. Now it pulled back right. I might hop out of it a minute. I'm in 558. It's not doing much, nothing. I need a 575 mark. Might get out for break even. Let's see what happens. Let's see. 563. I don't get BLRX. 50 million shares traded, up 50%. That's a lot of shares traded on a 19 million share float for the bear to be up at all. That's crazy. With news at that. For its purpose to there we go. MGI. I'm still watching though in the corner here. My order's at 575 to sell. Video got about 3 minutes left. Again, we at the 40-minute mark, 30-minute mark, pretty close. Here come 570 on MGI on the top right, 572. My order's 575 for the sale. Let's see what happens. 72, 72, 71. I'm here. I'm on my phone trying to find something. Hey, good job, Chris. Good job, bro. 10% is a good move, brother. All right. Oh yeah. I drew my line earlier. You see here, on this EQ, it blew through my point very sharply and it pulled back. So either way you look at it, it's banging resistance point. 572. Here we go. Oh, I'm out. 574. I see it. Let me look at my phone. Make sure it's out. My cell phone. 575 rather. Let's see. I should be out of it. Let's see. Yeah, I'm out. MGI my cell phone. It's sold for me. Perfect. Another few grand added to my already amount I already had. Perfect. Put this in the group as well. So far, my large accounts, I traded MGI and EQ so far. I want to trade BLRX, but I'm so busy watching my screen for what I have here on the group. I'm sorry, on the video that I haven't bought in yet on my cell phone. Let's see. My new buy-in point now on BLRX in my large account, it's going to be 223. So I'm gonna hop in 223 on BLRX for a quick move up to the about 10 to 15 cents. All right, so it's in the group. My buy-in target for BLRX is 223, and I'm about to actually go to my large account and prepare an order on BLRX. Uh, 231. So I want to get in. Hold on, I see a pullback point. My hop in point now is 2. I'm gonna try to get in right here. This pullback. What is this pullback right here? Like 210 is my new target buy-in on my large account. Hop out about 230 if I get lucky. Let's see what happens. Meanwhile, MGI just blew through 580 again. Easy money. It's giving it away. Where did MARPs come from? MIGI. I'm sorry, MARPS. I know it's the last few days that the leading gappers on the day that opens the market up, they don't hold up that well. So I put in the group as well that MGI currently is on the buy candle. 1 minute chart, look at that. So if you bought it, it should be in an upper rate 10 cent that quick. 590 is still going. It's in the group. $6 is the target sell point. Keep an eye on that. What is MARPS right here? Let's see what this about. MARPS. That came out of nowhere. Look at that crap. Why? It's not trading nothing. Look at that. That's crazy. It has a 2 million share float. Trade 600,000. What happened? What's the news on that? Circuit breaker halt. Oh man, that's what that is. No news. Tell me why a stock halts with no news. Only trading 600,000 shares on it. Why? Petroleum stock is currently halted right now. 10:03, which means it's going to come out the halt at 10:08 and some change. 10:08 and 22 is going to be the halt time it comes out. I'm putting the group. I'm past my 30-minute mark. I'm about to end the video in a second. And again, as always, I'll tell you guys my sell point on BLRX in my small account because I'm still holding it currently. But I don't want to end the video yet. MARPS. That's a tiny float, 2 million share float. And they go to halt. It's off the halt. It popped to 489. Now it's taking a dump. Bottom right, look at MARPS. Came out the halt and took a dump immediately. Come on, BLRX, make this move right here. Pop this VWAP. Then hit this resistance point. Find support above 235, and then we go. Need 3 things to happen right here on BLRX. We needed to pop the VWAP, which is this dotted line I got drawn, which is 223. Find a green candle above 235, hold support, and then we go. Way past the 260 mark. Draw a line here actually to hide the day. Alright, EQ doing nothing down here in the bottom. So video gonna end 2 minutes. I'm gonna end the video. I'm already at what 40 minutes almost. I don't like these long videos like this. MGI still buzzing around this 580 mark all day. The ARI, MICT. Where did MICT come from? That looked terrible. 55 million shares traded though. What's news on MICT? No news. Let's look at the 5-day 15-minute chart. It's already there. 5-day 5-minute. Straight incline. VWAP is not far off it. Let me put this in the group. Okay, let's see. MICT. If I was to buy MICT, where would I buy it at? We up at 290 the pullback point. So I'm looking at 290-ish, 295 if I buy in this right here. 295 mark. I'm looking for a 295 VWAP. 295 VWAP. Here we go. Let's go BLRX. VWAP. Support. Point. Alright. It's in the group. Alright, 1010. I gotta end this video, man. It's still going. I gotta end this video. Let me give it 5 minutes more because I want to move. I don't want to end this video really before I sell my BLRX, but man, it's already at 41 minutes. Take a look at this marks. Want to remove back up after that pullback sell off. Looks like BLRX about to make a move. See that green volume candle? See that reverse on the RSI? See that reversal on the MACD? It's all looking good. 230. There we go. Blow through it. See them points I drew earlier? It's hitting it. It's hitting it. It's banging back. It's hitting it. It's banging back. This point should blow through it. Gonna watch it for a bit. I don't want to end this video right in the middle of my trade, but like I may have to. Let me go over here to my charts for a minute. If you notice by now, I don't like watching those numbers because I know if I'm losing, it's going to mess with me mentally. So what I do is I go to my chart area and I watch my charts. And I have in my head, I already know in my head what I need to get out at or buy at or sell at. So numbers on the right side, it does something to your brain, at least my brain. So I don't like watching me lose money. So I always scan away to my charts and watch my charts. Alright, for real, video ending at 10:15. I'm not going to make an hour-long video today. It's not going to happen. We good right now, BLRX. We riding dag on the VWAP the whole day, pretty much. So once it explodes, it's going to the moon. Let's see. Intech, where's it come from? Intech. Verse split probably. No doubt about it. 14 cents, $3. Reverse split, no doubt about it. I'm not gonna even look at it, I already know. One for 20 reverse split. Alright, oh yeah, MGR, do nothing, DSKE, no. I want to add Intech to my watch list though for another day. 2 minutes in the video. 2 minutes. Channel been riding the whole day. The whole day. That same channel the whole day. Once I hope supported by that channel, it has to run. No other way around it. Reversal, indecisive, buy candles, and it has news. So it's all pointing up. I hate holding stocks this long. Make you nervous, right? 220, 222. I see that going on. I'm in the group looking around, see what's going on over here. What we got going on in the group? Let's see. Not much going on. Alright, it's 10:15. With that being said, you have a good weekend. One trade away. I'll post in the group later on my final result on BLRX. I'm going to hold it for a minute. I know for a fact it's going to bust this point and it's gone. So, one trade away.